Hi there, and welcome to Revenzer. In today's video we will talk about add-ons. With add-ons you will not earn more customers, but you can earn more from your customers selling them extra services. So, in today's video we will have a look at the most popular extra services that you can sell. Although on Revenzer you can set as many add-ons as you like, we do suggest that you limit yours between the minimum of 1 and the maximum of 3. Too many add-ons might confuse your customer, and a confused customer doesn't buy. Still, if you don't put any add-on on your ad, you might leave easy money on the table. When you make your add-ons, as well as your packages, you have to insert a title, a price, and a description. Be very clear and short with your title and description especially. If you don't describe well your offer, you might confuse a customer and lose money. So, here are the most common services that you can sell as add-ons. Faster delivery. This is very common also among e-commerce. Sometimes a customer might need to get the job done quickly and be willing to pay an extra just for it. Commercial rights. You are the owner of the content that you produce. Although the company can embed that on their page, they cannot use it inside video commercials or other marketing material without your express consent. Therefore you can sell your consent to the ones willing to pay an extra. Many companies want to use influencer creative content in their commercials or promo videos, so this is an easy way to make some extra money. Amazon Influencer Program. If you are here, most probably you already have a quite big following on social media, therefore you can apply for the Amazon Influencer Program that runs in parallel with the Amazon Affiliate Program. So, please, keep in mind that these two programs are not the same. If you are an Amazon influencer, you can sell extra visibility to Amazon sellers, adding their products on your Amazon influencer page. And of course, Amazon will compensate you for every and each sale that will come from your influencer page. So you can take money from both, the Amazon seller that will pay you for the extra visibility, and real sales that you might drive. Link in the bio or on your link tree. Especially if you operate on Instagram, you can sell extra visibility by adding the customer link on your bio or on your link tree. Currently, you can add only one link on your Instagram bio, so this service can be sold at a high price due to scarcity. Of course, the value decreases if you can publish more than one link using Linktree or other platforms. Permanent post. Especially on Instagram, many influencers do not like to leave a lot of sponsored content on their profiles. These types of content are deleted after few months by the influencers themselves. So, you can sell the permanent feature at a high price since it goes against the industry standards. But, this is not the case for all platforms. YouTube and blogs always imply permanent content only. Extra revisions. Before publishing the content, many brands want to have a look at it and request a revision if they find room for improvement. This is the case for YouTube videos and blog articles. It doesn't apply so much to Instagram and TikTok services. Anyway, if you produce particularly articulated content, you might sell extra revisions as add-on, and make extra money in a smart way. In general, you can sell any service that you might find appropriate as add-on. Again, try to don't put too many add-ons on your ad. Also, if you do some mistakes here, don't worry, you can modify and update this section of your ad at any time. That's it for today. I am going to see you in the next video, where I will show you how to use Revenzer, the marketplace where influencers and brands can grow together.